Tutorial we will learn how can we pass state as props from one component to another component, basically from parent to child. Okay, so let's create a child component, child comp .js. Okay, uh, amrc ccc. So friends, for creating this snippet I am using simple create react app, simple react snippet. Okay, basically this is the plugin using which you can you can write short code and create this such kind of snippets. Okay, child comp. This is child component. This is child component. Okay, now just add this child component to this parent component. This basically class component. Import child comp from child comp. No need to add the extension because it takes it a default. Okay, so add it here. Child comp, save. Child component is not defined. Okay, so this is basically child comp, not child component. Copy, paste child comp. Now here you can see this is child component. Okay, so now you want to pass the state. Let's suppose this is the basically child data. Let's create a child data. Let's add some value. This is child data. Okay, save. So now you just need to pass this state, a state child data to this children component, this the child comp. Okay, so let's pass it. Let's give the name child text. Okay, equal to this dot state dot child data. Okay, this child data, this dot state dot child data. Okay, so let now receive it from the child component. Okay, so this will coming as a props in child component. So props we are already receiving in constructor, so adding it, what we can do, just remove it. This dot props dot child text is the basically this key we are passing from here, child text, this attribute child text attribute, and we this attribute we are receiving here. Okay, this dot props dot child text. Save. Yeah, here you can see this is child data. Now dynamically we are getting this text instead of hard coding. Okay, so guys, from this way you can pass props state as a props. Okay, so hope you understand. Thank you guys, bye.